Hello home gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to build a mini raised bed using just one pallet. Start by lining up 2 pallet boards, then place a support piece across them to hold everything together. Now screw the support piece into the boards to secure the panel firmly. This will keep the panel sturdy and prevent any movement over time, giving your raised bed a strong and reliable structure. Go ahead and repeat this same process to create all 4 sides of your raised bed. Before you get started, make sure you've removed any nails from the pallet and selected the straightest, best quality boards for your build. Taking a little extra time here will make the assembly much easier and ensure your final result looks clean and solid. Once we've finished building all the sides and ends, we're going to join them together and secure the whole frame. Alright, now let's put it all together. Line up the corners and screw each side in place. As you attach each panel, you can add a corner block or support piece for extra strength. This will help keep your raised bed sturdy and long-lasting. Alright, that's the last screw in. Take a look at it. Now let's get some soil in here. Add the plants and see what it looks like when it's actually finished. We're going to space the plants out evenly so they have enough room to grow properly. Just dig a small hole for each plant, place it in carefully, and gently cover the roots with soil. Make sure not to plant them too deep or too close together so they can grow healthy and strong. As we go, we'll press the soil down lightly around each plant to help them stay in place. Now let's water everything in. This helps settle the soil and gives the plants a good start. Just water evenly across the bed. Not too much, just enough to keep everything nice and moist. And that's it. We're done. Your mini raised bed is now complete, filled, and ready to grow. We hope you enjoyed watching this build and found it helpful.